Welcome to DelphStack. Today, we will show you how to remove a phone number from your Discord account. First, log into your Discord account. Make sure you are using the account that has the phone number you want to remove. Next, open User Settings. You can do this by clicking the gear icon next to your username in the bottom left corner of the screen. This will open the Settings menu. Once you are in User Settings, go to the My Account tab. It is the first option on the left side of the menu. This section shows all your account information, including your email and phone number. Look for the phone number field in the main part of the screen. Here, you will see the number currently linked to your account. To remove it, click the Remove link next to your phone number. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm the action. Enter your Discord password in the pop-up and then click the Remove button. This confirms that you want to remove the phone number from your account. After this step, your phone number will be removed. You will no longer be able to use it to log in unless you add it back later. That is all you need to do to remove a phone number from Discord. Thanks for watching.